Nach 20 Jahren Rauchen hätte ich niemals gedacht, dass es möglich ist. Ich habe alles ausprobiert. Kaugummis, Pflaster, Apps, Hypnose. Es hat alles nicht funktioniert.
nuumi is a technology-enabled quit smoking solution, helping smokers to quit, prevent relapse and build new healthy lifestyle habits.
Did you know that over 1.1 billion people still smoke, making it the #1 cause of preventable death, incurring up to 500 billion yearly in healthcare expenditures? With 6 to 8 attempts to quit successfully, it's pretty obvious that today's quit methods aren't working. That's why we developed nuumi, the Fitbit and headspace for smokers.
nuumi offers a personalized nicotine replacement therapy, a mindfulness-based meditation program, an AI-based behavior change coaching, a therapy dashboard and a community feature.
nuumi is the all-in-one, out-of-the-box solution for smoking cessation, following actual medical advice for combining nicotine replacement and behavior therapy to treat physical and psychological addiction. A user-friendly solution that empowers smokers in the palm of their hand to gain back control through leveraging latest technology and behavioral science and refine it by integrating artificial intelligence. Electronic nicotine delivery devices are the preferred choice by smokers to quit in the UK and Germany. First studies have shown that they are more effective and no more harmful than traditional nicotine replacement products. So we thought, why don't we leverage consumers' preferred choice and turn this into a smart solution?
Users truly benefit from this smart technology. Just by gradually reducing the nicotine intake, the common withdrawal symptoms are completely eliminated. Over time, our algorithm is able to predict smoking events, enabling real-time intervention for smoking cessation at the right time with the right technique to ride out cravings.
Once a complete stop has been achieved, the app continues to coach the user through developing new health habits in areas such as exercise, nutrition and mental health and well-being, and strengthen their new non-smoker identity.
Ja, die App zu benutzen war super easy und der digitale Coach hat mir wirklich dabei geholfen, meine schlechten Gewohnheiten abzulegen und hat mich ständig aufs Neue motiviert.
Bei den anderen Methoden hat das Aufhören immer nie so wirklich geklappt, aber mit nuumi hat es diesmal einfach funktioniert und ich bin super happy.
In less than 12 months from receiving the first funds, we turned an idea into a product that's currently in beta stage, have been awarded as an impact startup at the last Web Summit and secured 230,000 euros in government grants from Investitionsbank Berlin and the European Union. If we raise, with your help, 500,000 in this round, we will get another 1.5 million in government support. With these funds, we aim to launch our product in Germany in May this year, develop our machine learning technology to coach smokers even better, and complete our first clinical trial and medical device certification.
We would like to give you the early option to become part of our mission to empower yourself, friends or family to transform your life by gaining up to 10 years of valuable lifetime.
I feel
I feel
I feel like a new me.